Hello everyone and welcome to lesson number 18. Today the lesson won't be so long, it will be a small one, and we will talk about cell aliases, also what an alias is. Aliases are shortcuts we use for commands that we type them often, really often, and we want to save our time, or to fix some typos. Instead, for example, grep, when you if you want to write grep, and because you write it really fast, you write grep, you can also do it, tell your Linux that this command that you wrote at that moment meant grep, or maybe you use the command ls -la really often, and you don't want to write this thing, you just want to write ll. This is also possible. The alias. By writing alias, you can see the aliases that you already have at your system. So, for example, if you write ll where you are, it means lsalf. Let's try it. And as you can see, you don't need to write the whole thing. You have it already written. And I think for grep is also something. I saw something. Yeah, yes. Grep. We can also add another one. For example, let's say grep, and then we say this is for grep, and you can check it now here. So every time you write grep, it means grep in your system. If we don't want that anymore, you can unalias it, and then you say grep. Let's see. Yeah, it isn't there anymore. You can also write alias a and see unalias a. I'm sorry, unalias. That's a, and then you will remove every alias that you have. And if you want to make them persist, because if I add an alias now, its duration is until I close the terminal or until I do a restart. If I want them to stay permanent, then I go to my home directory, and then vim, and then pass rc, and here you can write your aliases here, alias. As you can see, you can add your own aliases here, and after doing that you can save it, and the next time you open up your you boot up your PC, it will be there. This was it for today. It was a really quick lesson. The last thing that I want to show you, so that it will be clear for you, is the syntax of the alias, and it is like that. So it is like that: alias, then the name and the value. And like we said, to remove it, an alias. To see them all, just type alias, and to make them persist after a reboot or after closing the terminal, you need to go to the file that we already showed, vim dot, because it is a hidden file, bus rc, and then find the alias here and add your own also. So I hope that you enjoyed your today's lesson and that you learned something new. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them at the comment section below or send me a message. Thank you all for watching.